now. Odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow.
Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng bale ng denim jacket na kinuha ko from Korea. Ang code nito is JJK. Okay? So, itong mga denim jacket is nalabhan na at naplansya na para mas magandang tignan. Ito po yung laman ng bale na kinuha ko. So, mga branded yung iba. Okay. So, tignan ko na lang para mas mabilis. Ayan, Jack and Jones.
So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more.
Men and women. So, Paul and Bear.
But you'll see there's
Ang gaganda.
a life away.
Itong JJK yung nagaganda.
Don't forget about the moments we tried.
May code din kasi na BJJ. So, ito JJK na ganda sa akin.
There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow.
Uniqlo.
Just know I had good reason to go. If you're reading this now.
Grabe ang lamig dito sa Baguio ngayon, kaya lagi tayong naka-jacket.
We tried, we cried, and we laughed.
Gustong gusto nila ito. Crop. Mabilis.
There's a good chance our paths will
Ito is
eventually meet
Hong
up
Kong.
somehow.
From Hong Kong.
Just know I had good reason to go. If you're reading this now.
Denim blazer. Filtered crop. Crop.
I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we share the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories. And I try to sing along to the song on this old record
Maganda.
machine. But I keep walls, I keep tripping on
Kahit anong design ng denim jacket na meron ako, nauubos. So, depende yan sa gusto ng likes ng customer. Sold out lahat. So, mabilis maubos. Kahit taglamig, kahit summer, kahit na ano, may naghahanap ng denim jacket. Ang bale nga pala na kinuha ko is 90 kilos. JJK from Korea. Dalawang bale ng 90 kilos. So, pinaghalo ko na lahat. Yung black denim jacket is kasama rin doon sa bale. Yeah, so, isasama ko na rin ipakita. Pero ito ay wash na rin, nalabhan. Pero hindi pa siya na-plancha. So, naka-ready lang siya dyan para susunod na siyang paplantsahin. So, ito.
I've already left town.
Design dito sa likod. At ito rin yung isa. Main siya sa harap. Tapos may design na Mickey Mouse sa likod.
A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. This silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road.
Dark color, tsaka black denim. So, isusunod kong ipapakita naman yung mga light color pag nalabhan na. Ito yung ibang sample ng denim jacket na kasali sa Korean Bale. So, nasa sampayan pa, basa pa siya, pero isainama ko, ipapakita ko na para maisama ko dito sa aking content. Marami pa. So, kung gusto nyong makita lahat, kung ano yung laman ng JJK Bale, visit lang po sa aming shop sa Shopee or Lazada. Ilalagay ko po yung link sa description box. Yung iba po, mix kasi siya. Meron ding hooded denim jacket, merong for kids denim jacket, merong topper denim dress, pero hindi ko na sinama dito kasi nasa labahan pa. Lagi tayong may stock ng denim jacket. So, bago pa man maubos, nag-o-order na ako.
There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa panunood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
So why take